Do you know that you can create beautiful dashboards in Google Docs? For example, something like this. Such dashboards can be used for different purposes. For example, you can create your own company profile with all links, projects, and tasks. How is that possible? Learn the power of tables in Google Docs. First, let's change the page settings to pageless. Go to File, Page Setup, Pageless. We can also change the background color into light gray and click OK. Now, let's insert one table cell into the document. Go to Insert, then Table, choose one cell. Now, stretch this cell left, right, and down. Then, insert a new table with 3 cells and 1 row into this cell. Now, let's adjust the width. Then, insert a new table with 4 rows and 1 column into each cell. What we got doesn't look very nice, does it? Now let's make everything beautiful. Do you want more videos like this? Write to us or leave a comment.